Coke? I don't know. I think on the other side, the right-hand side of the grill. Yeah.
Be careful, Chris.
You want Daddy? Oh my God! Yes.
Look, baby. Oh. Uh-oh. Did it work?
Yes. I'll do it one every time, so.
He did all three of them. So I wonder if I could do all three of us. Like, go ahead and try.
Why not do five? Why not put 5 in here?
That's Tim. That's flying all those right there. Tim and Alika. Next year I'm gonna just save and buy 9. Okay. Oh, that one's nice. Look at that one.
You guys get some wine?
Yeah.
Did you get some cake or did you get some another cake?
Yes, Daddy brought water.
We got this from white cake.
Black cake. Individual bottles or big bottles? I think individual. I'm not sure. You have to ask.
More watermelon.
Piece of watermelon. Somebody cut it weird. Some cut it the same way. Jamie part of it.
Okay, you're gonna have for Jamie.
Yeah. Me and Jamie. There's my cake plate.
Nana's getting some.
Come on, baby. Come over here. Look what I got. Look. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Ooh, that one's pretty. Or nice. That's the guy's We made that cake.
That's awesome. Go ahead. Do you want some?
Huh?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm burnt out of them. I don't want them. I'm sad. I'm not gonna buy them. There was 4 good rockets out of that whole package that I liked. Just let him. I don't know.
Just make sure that he's being careful.
How much minutes more, Mom?
There's one over there too.
Mom, till it starts.
Back to the back corner.
Mom,
Huh?
how much more minutes till it starts?
It's like probably about 8 minutes now. So are we supposed to walk down there? I don't know. Think we should?
Marty, stupid cricket. Let's go walk down there.
You want to?
Yeah,
Crystal?
need it. Get good shots. Come on.
Hold on.
Nice.
Jenny gets some information here.
Can we go?
Are we supposed to walk down? Find it, JJ?
No, you're not sitting up there. You're not. You're sitting up there.
It was about 30 minutes.
Because that's his mommy sitting with him.
Your mom said no.
Take him. You are like the biggest wiggle worm in the world. You would wiggle off.
You hold on to these for me. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, those really suck.
Those really suck. I need good.
Jacob, what are you doing?
What time it is?
Come sit down with us.